Hello at welcome ulit sa Kusina ni Mrs. O. And for today, we're still in the same series with Sarangani Bay, Pandesal Tinapay Series. And for today, ang gagamitin natin ay ang kanilang milkfish in oil. Di ba parati tayo nakita sa grocery, maraming bottled. Most of the time, it's sardines or tuyo. But this one is milkfish. In Tagalog, bangus. Nalaka lang. Basically, if you look at it, ito, tingnan nyo lang, paki-close up nga. Yan yung actual size ng bangus. Hindi siya yung bangus na malaki, tapos kinat, tapos sinagay sa bote. Iba po yun, kasi tingnan mo yung shape niya, oh. Para siyang yung sa may buntot na. No? So, if makikita mo rin, here. So, it comes in two variants, regular and one spicy. But what I have is the regular. Kung gusto niyo ng medyo spicy, dagdagan niyo na lang ng chili oil. But, kami, personally, dito sa bahay, kinakain namin siya for breakfast. So, hindi ko maubos isang bottle minsan. So, mag-open kami, kakain namin with our cheesy scrambled eggs, which is what we're going to do today. Kasama nito, and of course, rice. Lots and lots of rice. Pero, since nga it's Pandesal Tinapay Series, gusto lang namin ipakita ang mga uses na may iba-ibang protein naman sa umaga at hindi naman kanin lang ang pwede. So, meron tayong gagawin na pandesal with scrambled eggs and milkfish in oil or bangus in oil. At yung isa naman ay gagamitin ko ay ang tortilla wraps. Parang breakfast burrito. So, yun yung ating gagawin. But, yung pinaka parang star ng ating dish today really is this, the milkfish in oil by Sarangani Bay, and yung ating scrambled eggs. So, kala natin sobrang simpleng scrambled eggs, pero meron tayong na-notice, minsan ang scrambled eggs mabasa-basa, minsan matuyo, or minsan may konting brown-brown. Tama ba? Di ko alam, gano'n ba na-experience yung sa bahay ninyo? But for today, that's the technique that we will be sharing with you. And most of the dish for today, dahil nga may eggs, pwedeng breakfast. Pero, di naman gano'n ka-strict. Ako minsan nga sa gabi, kinakain ko eggs and rice. But, it's up to you. Very easy lang. We'll just start with the eggs. So, again, this is milkfish and pandesal with scrambled eggs. And our secondary variation is the milkfish wrap, no, using Sarangani Bay Milkfish in oil. Nakakuha ko lang to sa Pasko eh. Pero minsan nakakalimutan ako ni Chef Gigi. Hindi, totoo. Meron pa nga ito mataba. Mas malaki dito. Mas malapad na bilog yun. We used to get that for Christmas. Ngayon, ito, ganito yung bottling. So, anyway, so of course, ang eggs natin ay sponsored. Okay? Sponsored ng sister ko. So, we're just using 4 eggs. So, ito, lalagyan ko lang siya ng konting water para mas moist. Yung parang mas soft yung texture. Kasi kung puro eggs, baka mamaya magparang leche flan siya. So, dalawa ka lang, but we're adding a little bit of water. Yan. Okay. And then, of course, optional, you can add grated cheese. But you can also do salt and pepper. But of course, parang katulad ng butter, cheese is life sa bahay na to. So, you may or you may want to do that. Ito lang, let's go and let's cook. And then later na natin to i-assemble. Yung sa eggs, you would like to put it in low fire. Minsan, pag nagmamadali tayo, we want to cook eggs. But sometimes, eggs takes slower, no? So, it's a slow cook. And that's not so bad, no? Pag hindi ka nagmamadali sa pagluto ng eggs, pwede ka pang maraming gawin. So, I'm just putting butter, the secret to fluffy scrambled eggs. Yan. So, ngayon, I will just, there you go. So, matagal talaga yan. And I'm just gonna add a little bit of cheese. Kung ako, adults to, sa scrambled eggs, I will probably put a little bit of onions, but then, not all kids eat onions, no? Sometimes masyado malakas yung amoy, so they won't. Kasi nga, ang ano natin dito is yung pandesal para rin sa mga bata. I think it's important na we show children iba-ibang breakfast na variety. Nanonotice ko lang, sometimes, dapat alam nila na iba-iba yung breakfast. So, para healthy ang relationship nila sa pagkain. Di ba may iba nga tayo na meet na never nakakain ng gulay sa buong buhay nila. Or, hindi kumakain ng isda. So, here, ito, nakikita nyo, hindi siya nagsisizzle at all. So, what you do with the eggs, ganyan. You just keep on making a cross. Yan. There. So, you wait for it a little bit. Ayan, see, nag-hard din na siya sa ilalim. So, ito parang siniscrape mo lang sa dulo. Kasi yan yung unang nagko-cook. Yan. Actually, this is another fun activity para sa mga anak ninyo. Kasi low fire. Siguro pwede na ito mga 10 years old, tumutulong na, 11. Diba? Pwede. So, I'm just scraping the side. And then, I'm just trying to make a break in the middle. Yan. Ayaw natin na para siyang dry na dry. So, we want it to be a little bit more wet. Actually, may isa pa pala. Milkfish in oil. I remember nung I was following, of course, I'm not following it anymore, kaya medyo tumaba ako, yung gluten-free diet. So, I remember, sinabi ng nutritionist sa akin, huwag ka kumain ng canned, kung pwede ka kumain yung bottled. So, that's how I discovered this brand. Kasi parang sa grocery, konti lang yung naka-bottle na food. So, I was trying to stick to gluten-free. That was many years ago. So, that was 14 years ago. Konti lang talaga yung options ng gluten-free. And I remember the nutrition saying, if you want to invest in gluten-free, it's either you buy fresh food or kung wala ka talagang fresh na isda, buy the bottled one. That's how I was, naisip ko yung brand na yan. Sila lang nakikita ko pa lang sa market. Tapos, hindi masyadong mataas ang salt content. It's very smooth, very velvety siya. So of course, I need to dry it a little bit because I'm gonna put it with our pandesal. So at least magko-hold siya. I will take it off from the pan. Yan. So see, it's wiggling, but it's not runny, it's not liquidy, or it's not sobrang matubig. It's a bit wiggly. And continuously gonna cook, no? For the main event of the morning. Dahil may nagregalo sa atin ng pink gloves, kailangan gamitin. Thank you to Ate Shai. Daming sponsors. Now, because it's breakfast, it's nice to also serve it with just a plain. Mag-cube lang ng fruits or pwedeng french fries. So with this, I will just slice. I'm probably gonna heat it a little bit. Kung nakita nyo, di ba piniplate ko siya para siyang individual. It's good also to do that sometimes. Alam ko sa bahay, we put it family style because tinuturo natin yung value na mag-share ang mga bata, di ba? But sometimes, it's also good to plate it individually. So parang it's specially made for them. Especially if it's a healthier. Lalo if you're cooking vegetables, you're cooking fish, mga food na hindi masyadong popular sa mga bata dahil gusto nila fried, gusto nila karne. So sometimes, that's the reason why I want to put it colorful and individually plated. Para lang they feel na, uy, it's specially just for me. Because syempre, they're used to sharing family style na puro ilalagay lang sa gitna, tas kanya-kanyang kuha. If you're gonna do something like this, especially sa mga batang hindi pa kumakain ever ng isda, it's nice to introduce this first to them this way or this manner para sa ganon, maganahan naman sila. So this one, I'm just gonna put a bit of mayonnaise. Para lang, hindi na siya a bit. Yan. On both sides. Yan. Para lang mas mag-stick ang ating eggs. Tapos, kung ayaw nyo ng fruits, pwede naman french fries. Kung gusto ninyo. Pero fried lang siya. So this is again just a healthier option. I'll just put there. And of course, our baby. Kumbaga, di ko alam kung nakikita niyo sa grocery, sa freezer section, meron parang baby bangus, yung Sarangani, yung 3 pieces in a pack. Kasi kami, that's what we buy. This one is even babier. So ito, kalahati lang siya. Just gonna put it there. Ngayon, if you will, another variation, you can add pesto on the side if you want, with eggs. But it's not really for kids. But, you know, if you have guests who are a little bit older, pwede rin siya. Or malunggay pesto. That's another alternative. So, ang maganda rin dito, madaling tanggalin ang tinik dahil nasa gitna lang siya. I will put it here. So, ito para sa eldest ko. Ito sa pangalawa kay baby boy. Ayan. Kumbaga, parang you make them feel a little bit special. So that's the pandesal. But like what we said and what we promised, it's mayroon pang mga tinapay. So yung isa will be with burrito naman. So for the burrito, para siyang inspired ng Mexican, diba, na dish. So I need to add 1 soy, cucumber, tomatoes, and a little bit onions para naman sa mga teenagers Or, lalong-lalo yung mga anak nating nagtatrabaho na or nag-uumpisa. So, this is good for them naman. So, meron na tayo for all ages, ha? So, ito, para sa ating mga teenagers, young adults, di ba? Or even the parents or the mommies themselves, no? Hindi ko na siya lalagyan ng lemon, no? I will just mix it all up. It's flavorful as it is. So, this one came straight from the ref. I need to heat it lang sa pan. I just have to heat it like really quick, no? Ayaw mo naman siya ng crispy kasi mahihirapan ka mag-roll. So, for this one, ano siya? Siyempre, dahil medyo mas matanda yung kids, so the portion's a little bit bigger and it's meatier. Ito lang, I just wanted to show you that there are many protein that we can eat during breakfast, no? Hindi lang yung usual na nakasanayan natin. So, there you go. Yan. Yun. One way is ganito. Pwede rin with lettuce. Let me cut it. Oops. Yan. Tapos yung isa with lettuce. Pwedeng meron, pwedeng wala, or purely optional. Oh, yan. Yan. Buong-buo talaga siya, no? Ate Lina, ito ginagamit natin, eh, no? So, ito para ka lang nagra-wrap ng lumpia. Mas maganda i-slice natin ng slanted. So, ito, pwedeng with lettuce, pwedeng without. And, there you go. This is how we made use of our milkfish in oil for brekkie or for breakfast. Pandesal with cheesy scrambled egg and fruit cup. Para dun sa mga bata pa ng mga chikiting natin. At ito naman is medyo for the older, teenagers, and working. We made it into a breakfast burrito. Ito po yung ating simple breakfast. Another alternative na protein. Hindi puro karne, hindi puro fried. Milk fish in oil. So there you go. Here is our episode for Kusina ni Mrs. O, again with Sarangani Bay, the Pandesal and Tinapay Series. Our milkfish in oil pandesal with cheesy scrambled eggs and our breakfast burrito with milkfish in oil. Maraming salamat po. Thank you for watching. Mamaya ni mga taste testers. See you soon.
Okay, I'm trying bangus burrito by Sarangani Bay. Tikman natin kung masarap. Sarap to, healthy pa.